Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can get more exposure, outranking competition, and of course get more customers. So first things first, one of the recommendations I have to do here, especially on the homepage, is to add more content. Adding more content, and not just images, but more words, will definitely help you. And it has to be original, it has to be relevant, and it has to include the keywords that you need to be found for. Now, these keywords they have to be placed in specific areas of your website so we can start tracing them. So that'll be for the homepage. And same thing for the sub pages. I see water treatment services here. Let's take a look really quick. Yeah, definitely have more content on here as well. And you got to make sure that, yeah, like I said, keywords are very, very important here because if I go see in the back end of your website, you're only being found for 38 keywords. It's roughly bringing you 4 visits a month to your website, and you have 264 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that mention your website and will give you power so it can be found on Google as well. And this will increase your domain rating over here and your URL rating as well. Now, keep in mind that not all links are created equal. So you can have dozens and hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not mentioning the keywords that you need to be found for, this will be complete useless. So let's take a look at the keywords here. And for example, this one, does that really a keyword that you want to be found for? I mean, is somebody putting effort in this one with backlinks or even on the content? Even though you only have it's only 30 searches a month for this specific keyword, but we don't know. I wouldn't think that a potential client would be looking for this in general. Just an example. Well Pump Services NJ or Service NJ, 10 searches a month. You on the fourth page, so you're not getting any traffic for that, but this volume is really low. And Well Drilling NJ, 90 searches a month. You're on the seventh page, so you just moved up to the spot since last month. But again, you're not ranking on the first page, so you could be missing a lot of opportunities there. Affordable Pumping NJ, 10 searches a month. Not really too much of a relevance in that. So if I go to Google and type water treatment NJ, the first thing you're gonna notice is the traditional Google ads. And this is where you pay every time somebody clicks on it. And if it's not done properly, you can end up wasting a lot of money because whoever clicks on here is not going to be a guaranteed customer. Next, we have the map section, and this is very important because regardless of your location, you can target the whole area of New Jersey. You can target specific cities that have more volume of searches for those specific keywords. Uh, then you have the organic results. So you have Jason Company company.com. This is for the state of New Jersey. Century Water NJ.com. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And really important to understand because 67% of the people that do a Google search they don't even pass this top three and this top three. That means that they don't scroll down all the way down and not even to consider going to the second and third page. So there's a lot of opportunities that you can be um, taking advantage of. And for the purpose of the video, you're going to see why these guys are ranking number one in comparison to you. So we have the website here, and you can tell that they don't have that much content on the homepage. But why they're ranking here, it might have to do something with the links that they have, the backlinks that they have, and the other pages because they have more pages. So more pages with the basic content, relevant content, will definitely help them. It's helping them as well. You can see this the ranking the specific water purification uh, page that they have. So very very important to understand. And let's take a look in the back end of their website. They're being found for 472 keywords. Is bringing them around 374 visits a month to their website. Um, and they have over 3,000 backlinks now. Again, This back for the amount of backlinks, these numbers are not that high, but it seemed to be doing their job. And let's take a look at the keywords over here. So, Jason Company, of course, the branding name, they're number one. Water softener self-delivery NJ, 20 searches a month, they're ranking number one. And from those 20 searches, they're almost getting half of them straight to their website. Water treatment New Jersey, 20 searches a month, they're ranking number one. And they're getting seven of those searches straight to their website. So they're getting traffic. Then you have this JSON, the brand name. You can see that we're targeting pretty aggressive. Water softener NJ, 40 searches a month. They're on the first page on position number 8, and it's bringing them around one visit for that specific keyword. So very important to understand. Depends on the volume of the keywords that you want to be found for. I believe some of these will definitely apply to your business, and you need to improve your content, and of course you need to improve your backlinks, because if they're weak links, if they're like spam links, no matter how many you get, this is not going to improve, and you most likely will not be found on Google. Uh, you can miss the chances of increasing your business. So, if you have any questions, please let us know. Our information will be attached to the email. If you think we can help you out, because we can definitely help you out. Again, our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.